everyone, welcome to Shruthi Talks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the chapter Reproduction in Animals. Reproduction in Animals is a very simple chapter. So, before going into the chapter, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and please click on the bell icon for notification. And if you really like my channel and my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, so let us get into the chapter. For the continuity of life, reproduction is very important. We human beings reproduce, animals reproduce, and also plants also reproduce. So reproduction is very important for the continuity of our life. In the case of mayfly, we know that its lifespan is 24 hours. That means it can only live for 24 hours. They also reproduce. So that is the importance of reproduction. So reproduction is important for each and every organism. Reproduction is for the continuity of life. The lifespan of every organism is different. So what do you mean by lifespan? Lifespan is the time period for which an organism lives. Okay, so the time period of any organism lives is known as lifespan. There are mainly two types of reproduction. They are direct birth and laying eggs. The animals that lay eggs are known as oviparous. What are the examples for oviparous animals? The snakes and crocodiles, tortoise, etc. are the examples for the oviparous animals. Oviparous are the animals that lay eggs. And viviparous means the animals give direct birth to their young ones. For example, we human beings, mammals such as monkeys and bats, etc. gave direct birth. So, the different type of animals are the oviparous animals and viviparous animals. The two types of reproduction are the direct birth and laying eggs. So, let us discuss about the reproduction through laying eggs. This is the egg of a chicken. So, in this case, we can see a hard outer shell. What is the function of this hard shell? This shell protects the egg. So, what can you see inside this eggs? So, let me crack these eggs. Okay. So, this is how it looks after cracking the eggs. So, here you can see a yellow part and a white fluid part. So, inside these eggs, this yellow part is known as the yolk and this white part is known as albumen. So, this is yolk and this is the albumen. And in this yolk, you can see a white thread-like structure. So, can you see this? This is embryo. So, this is the growing baby. So, here, all of you look at this picture. You can see the white part is the albumen and the yellow is yolk. And inside this yellow part, you can see a white thread or white spot-like structure. That is the embryo. We know that embryo need food and water for its development, growth and development. So, this embryo gets food from the yolk. So, the function of yolk is to provide food for the embryo, growing embryo. Provide food and nourishment for the growing embryo. And the embryo not only need food but also need water. So, this albumin provide water for the growing embryo. And the albumin is very important. It provides water for the growing embryo and also it protects the embryo from shocks and jerks. So, let us discuss about the process of reproduction in birds. We know that the reproduction in birds is through laying eggs. In the case of birds, the one of the parent bird may sit on the eggs and make it warm. So that process of making its eggs warm are known as incubation. The incubation time of chicken is 21 days and the incubation time of ducks is 28 days. So the incubation time period may be different for different organisms. During their incubation period, the embryo will go through various stages and it achieves their fully grown up state. After they well developed, they will start cracking their shell and comes out of it. So this process is known as hatching. So what do you mean by hatching? Hatching is the process by which a baby bird breaks open their eggshell and comes out of it. So this is known as hatching. What a wonderful process, right? After hatching, the parent bird feed their babies till they are strong enough to search for food for themselves. So today we discussed about reproduction and the structure of an egg and the process of reproduction in birds. I hope this video will be very informative for you all. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for watching everyone.